back, my YouTube friends and family. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another data entry work from home job lead for you. This one we featured on this channel a month or two ago. I can't remember at this point, but huge hotel chain Marriott is hiring again for a data entry clerk. Now, this is remote for my United States folks only. Of course, the link to this page, if you're interested in putting that application in, is in the YouTube description box below this video. Since we featured this job on this channel before, I will go through it really quickly. They're looking for somebody to enter and locate work-related information, of course, using computer systems or point-of-sales systems. You'll transmit information or documents using a computer. Of course, you'll have to read and visually verify information in a variety of formats, such as small print, on those documents, and you'll have to enter and retrieve information contained in different computer databases into their system. So it is just a standard data entry position. One thing to note about Marriott is they don't really clearly list what they're looking for as far as a person. It doesn't appear that they require any kind of college degree. They're looking for somebody who can follow all company policies and procedures, who has great written and verbal communication skills, and who has great organizational skills. Now, that's really all that they list breaking down this paragraph here. Now, pay for this position is always dependent on location and experience, but pay goes anywhere from $18 an hour on the low end up to $25.20 an hour on the high end. And of course, they offer a standard benefit package that includes medical, dental, vision, 401k, and paid time off. If you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Always feel free to leave anything specific that you're looking for down in the comments below. You can include any education and experience that you have. I do read those and keep that in mind. And I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.